Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Programming with Arif. Today I'm going to show you how to install Java JDK and then IntelliJ IDEA on Windows 10 operating system. First open your favorite web browser and then search for Java JDK. And then go to this website oracle.com. Then click here Java AC downloads, and this is the latest release for Java AC platform. Click here on JDK download, scroll down. As I am using Windows 10 64-bit installer, so let's download this one. Click here. Check the license agreement and then click on download. So my download is finished now, so click here on the executable file. So let's click next. You don't need to change the path, and then next. Just close this web browser. Now we have to set the environment variables. Click on the Windows icon and then search for environment variables. Click here on environment variables. And then click here. So now we have to set the path here. So let's go to our installation directory and get the path. Go to program files and then Java and then JDK and this bin folder. So we have to copy this path. Just click here, copy this path, and let's get back to our environmental variable setup. Just paste it here and then click OK. So now we are done with the environmental path variable setup. And if you want to develop Java applications or develop Java tools, you might want to install Java home system variable. For that, click here and then type java_home. And for variable value, let's go back to the installation directory and let's go back to this folder. For variable value, we will use this path. And then press OK. Now we are going to install IntelliJ IDEA, which is one of the best Java IDE for professional developers. Now search for IntelliJ IDEA. And then go to this website jetbrains.com. Click here on download. IntelliJ IDEA offers two versions. One is paid, which is ultimate, and one is completely free, which is community edition. I'll download this community edition and it offers almost everything you need. So click here. As you see, my download is already started. I will get back to you once the download gets finished. After your download gets finished, click on this executable file. Next. Here you can choose a desktop shortcut. I will choose this one. I will check this one, and I want to update path variable, so this one. Then click next and then install. I will get back to you once the process gets finished. Now I will manually restart my operating system and then get back to you. I have restarted my operating system, and now let's click on this IntelliJ IDEA icon. So here is the JetBrains privacy policy. Check here and then continue. And I'll check here. I'll check don't send, as I don't want to share any information. So here you can set your theme. One is Dracula, which is a dark theme, and light theme. For this video purpose, I will choose this light theme. Otherwise, while coding, I prefer the dark one. Next. Here you can see all the build tools, version control, test tools, and other steps. You can do it later. So let's click next. Here you can install some of the plugins. You can do it later. So let's click start using IntelliJ IDEA. So we have successfully installed IntelliJ IDEA on Windows 10 operating system. Later I will make another video on how to create your first Java project in IntelliJ IDEA, and soon I will be uploading some simple Java problem solving videos. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you find this video useful, please subscribe to my channel and turn on notification to get upcoming videos. I'll see you soon. Bye.